Welcome back to the Barbecue Investor. Guys, I've been looking forward to this episode for probably a couple weeks, okay? This is going to be a fun one. I brought in 8 different models, okay? We're going to have some back testing. We're going to have a little fun. And at the end of it, you know what? I'm going to let you have a couple of the strategies that we come up with, and I'm not going to tell you to trade with them. I'm going to tell you that you might be able to build off of them. Now, we're going to take some of the flagship models, and we're also going to take some of their cheaper little brothers. And we're going to kind of find out exactly how this goes and who wins, and which one I would trust to spend my money. Now, hope you all enjoy this content. Let's go. Let's get ready to rumble. For round 1, we brought in the heaviest hitters in the world. The top frontier models with the deepest reasoning. We've got Fable 5, we've got GPT 5.6 Sol, we've got GLM 5.2, and we've got Google Gemini 3.1 Pro. Now, I'm going to let Claude explain how the heavyweights performed and who took the round 1 crown.
Thank you, Brad. Round 1 produced incredible raw firepower. GPT 5.6 Sol posted plus 1,407.9% net profit with a 3.73 profit factor. But the round 1 heavyweight crown goes to Claude Fable 5, generating plus 1,254.4% return with a 3.16 profit factor while staying 100% out of crypto bear markets.
Round 1 showed what the heavy compute can do. But what if you don't want to spend $4 on a strategy generation? Next up in round 2, we had the little brothers. Fast, ultra, low-cost models built for speed. We've got GPT 5.6 Luna, arguably the best bargain in all of this space right now. We got Gemini Flash 3.5, who I use a ton. GLM 5.1 and Sonnet 5.0. Can a 1-cent bot hold its own against the giants? Claude, break down round 2.
The budget round delivered the biggest surprise of the experiment. GPT 5.6 Luna, built for just 1 cent of compute, took the round 2 crown with a 4-day Donchian breakout strategy generating plus 968.3% net profit and a 1.32 Sortino ratio with only 21.5% drawdown. However, not all budget models succeeded. Gemini Flash 3.5 claimed its strategy was a legendary trend-following masterpiece, yet in Monte Carlo stress tests, it blew up the entire account in 8 out of 10 alternate market universes.
Now for the final verdict. We've seen the frontier giants and we've seen the little brothers. When we combine raw profit, firepower, risk-adjusted defense, and Monte Carlo stability, who is the undisputed grand champion of the challenge? Claude, crown that champion.
I am proud to announce that the undisputed grand champion of the Genesis Challenge is Claude Fable 5. Its secondary draft, Strategy B Weekly EMA 20 Trend, posted a 3.96 profit factor and a 2.44 Sortino ratio, the single highest risk-adjusted score of all 16 strategies in the contest.
Here are the 3 big takeaways from this backtest challenge, in my opinion. Number 1, the budget models handle basic safety. A 1-cent model like ChatGPT 5.6 Luna, man, that's hard to beat for the price. And it can run breakout rules and protect your capital. Number 2, flagship models are still what you want for that pure alpha. When you look at deep market regime and you're wanting the top returns, man, Fable 5 is still the king. Number 3, always inspect the top 2 or 3 strategies from each AI. Fable 5's second draft turned out to be the number 1 risk-adjusted strategy in the whole series. So, real trading isn't about fake 99% win rates or zero-fee scams. It's about edge, it's about discipline, it's about managing risk. Now, all 5 of the winning Pine scripts, they're down in the description below. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment on what model surprised you the most, and keep your risk tight. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Now, I'm going to throw this in at the end, and I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to. So, one of the reasons we started this channel is because we want to be honest, and we want to bring some things out to the space for new people trying to get into this type of thing, okay? I want to bring to your attention that we had the best frontier models on the planet in this challenge, and we gave them the ability to pick any time frame they wanted to trade. Any one. Not a single one of them chose anything under a one-day strategy. You see a lot of guys out there. They're showing you on YouTube, man, they've got a strategy that Claude built for them expecting $20,000 a month. And they're trading hundreds of times, and it shows this equity curve is going straight up and to the right. And you're like, wow. Also, look on that thing. A lot of them are like profit factor 1.6 or less. Now, if you have to pay real commissions and real slippage, are you going to make money with that? You're going to make money with that if you're the guy selling it. That's about the only way you're going to make money with that. Now, I'm not here to throw rocks in from a glass house, okay? I am not allergic to money. But the reason my strategies are not up for sale is because I don't know if they're for sure going to work yet until I can run them to a whole regime. Once I run them through a whole regime, if they make money, and I can honestly think that it might benefit some of you guys, then maybe I offer them. But until then, they're going to stay right where they're at, and we're going to watch them right here live, and we're going to find out if they're good or not. But the one thing I won't do is I won't try to sell you something that I know is not going to make you money. Matter of fact, I know it's going to lose you money, and I'm just trying to make my money off of you. So, before we go, one thing, just think about that. The next time you see a video like that, hey, Google it and see what your brokerage fees are going to be. If you're going to use, like say you're going to use Kraken Pro here in the US, when you start out, 0.25 is going to be the best you can get. Okay, you can go up to 0.4. So some of these guys using these exchanges overseas and stuff, that's fine. Probably great. I'm a 59-year-old farmer, and man, they're not even really supposed to be trading them if you live in the United States. So I'm not saying you can't get by with it. They've probably been doing it for years. My fear is if I get in there and I make a lot of money, then that exchange has to say, oh, well, you're not even supposed to be on this exchange because you're in the United States, and they can liquidate my account. And if they do that, my wife's going to kill me. So I'm going to keep mine on reputable sites that I know are legal in the United States to trade. So that usually like, you got Kraken, you've got Coinbase. There's several out there. Just do your research. Don't blindly go sign up for some brokerage firm and then find out later on that you're really not even supposed to be on that firm in the United States to be legal. So just do your homework, guys. Educate yourself. Make sure you're not taken by someone out there. There's a lot of legitimate guys out there, and they've got some good strategies on there, and they're teaching the right things. But just learn to differentiate the ones that are and the guy that's out there just trying to make his money off of you. So hit that like button, hit subscribe, and y'all come back now.